As I turned the handle and pushed open the door of my dormitory room, a flood of morning sunlight spilled into the dimly lit space, illuminating the path ahead. With each step down the familiar staircase, anticipation bubbled within me like a dormant volcano awakening to life. Exiting into the vibrant world beyond, I felt the warmth of the sun on my skin, beckoning me to embrace the day's adventure. With my trusty bike to my side, I set out to chase whispers of mystery and uncover the secrets awaited in the heart of Lingdong village. On a bright, sun-soaked day, I embark on a journey into the heart of Lingdong village, a place where time seems to stand still and every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. With the sun blazing high, I hopped on my bike and pedaled towards the unknown, eager to uncover the secrets of traditional Chinese village. The path was anything but straightforward, with its twists, turns and occasional underpass beneath the thundering trains above. As I crossed the threshold into the village, the contrast was striking. A world apart from the city, where simplicity and authenticity reigned supreme. Surrounded by the lush green fields and the melodious chirping of birds, I felt a sense of serenity wash over me, a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle. The village unfolded like a scene from a bygone era, with traditional homes adorned with red gates, each one a mirror of its neighbor, yet each holding its own unique charm. In one quiet street, I encountered an elderly man tending to his home.
你好，巴基斯坦人。
His garage housed an ancient tractor, a relic of the past that hinted at the village's rich history. Through a nearby window, curious white goats peered out, and I couldn't resist saying hello to these gentle creatures. As I wandered deeper into the village, the streets narrowed and the signs of modernity faded, revealing a world untouched by time. Under a bridge, I met another elder, a guardian of the village stories. From there, I ventured uphill on a barren road, eager to see what lay beyond. An unexpected encounter with a barking dog sent me retracing my steps, a reminder that not all paths are meant to be traveled. So guys, I'm just wandering about here around the Lingdong village. The village is very beautiful, green, and there is many more to come. So now we will explore some further areas around here and then go back to our dormitory because it's very sunny day and it's a bit hot. So we will go back after exploring some of the areas around. Back in the village, I stumbled upon a grand traditional home, its architecture a testament to the village's enduring heritage. With one last glance at the village life, I took a narrow barren path to the main road, where the modern world awaited. As my journey through Lingdong village came to a close, I carried with me a newfound appreciation for the beauty of simplicity and the stories etched into every corner of this timeless place. Okay guys, so now I will end my vlog here. Till then, take care. See you in the next vlog.